Basics of my trading approach. Jack. AZUR WTT Video number 1. Basics of my trading principles. 1. I don't use any indicator beside the levels, zones and bias calculated in real time by my algo, and the ATR. 7. Average true range 7 periods. I use the ATR to determine the speed of a price movement that may provide a warning sign. 2. I don't use price patterns to get involved in a trade or not. Although I recognize them, I don't use them in my trading decisions. 3. I don't use trend lines either for my trading decisions, as I use the bias calculated by my algo to determine who is in control: bulls, bears, neutral, in short, intermediate and long time frame. 4. I don't try to predict the upcoming intraday price action. I react to it only at predetermined areas, my algo's levels, zones. 5. I don't try to catch the bottom or top of a move. A trade may be triggered at a bottom-top area if it is a predetermined level and conditions are aligned. 6. I don't try to catch every trade opportunities that the market provides. If I missed a trade, I never chase. I look for the next one, at levels. 7. I don't do more than 6 trades a day per instrument, average is 3. I like when I only have 2 quality trades on an instrument. I would rather increase size when conditions are favorable than doing more trades to get the same result. 8. I don't usually trade after 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, but start as soon as my levels are calculated, from about 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. 9. I may close any active trade before market open or news, depending on market conditions, to avoid being hit by volatility. I would rather cash in profit, or take a small loss, and wait for market to build a new structure. Basics of my preferred setups. 1. Pullback, fading, to a key level, zone is my preferred setup. Number 1. Key levels, LIS, bulls, bears gate. Other key levels usually provide high odds reactions. The magnitude of a reaction will depend on who is in control, so I use the bias calculated by my algo to help gauging that. There are no guarantee that the strength of the move will be aligned with the calculated bias. 2. Breakout, down of a key level, zone is my preferred setup. Number 2. That breakout, down must be coupled with other conditions like strong momentum, alignment with other markets like Nasdaq, Russell 2000, etc., to be valid. Ideally, price should not return to retest the mid of the level it just broke out, down, on a 5 minutes bar, as chances are that it will be a fake one. 3. Pullback, fading or breakout, down of any other levels can also provide very good trade opportunities, but this will depend on where price is within the day range and or how far it is from the upside, downside targets. Basics of my trading execution. 1. I use a 5 minutes bar for execution but sometimes need to look at a 2 minutes bar, depending on the speed of price action. If I need to look at microstructures balance area 2, I use resting order very much, usually at the top edge of a level, zone, if price is coming from above or breaks out the level, or at the bottom edge of a level, zone, if price is coming from below or breaks down the level.